The first exercise you are going to do is the leg press with the slow eccentric. So press up and lower yourself down slowly and under control. And we're going to go until our legs and thighs are at about 90 degrees. You can go a little bit lower, that is fine, but I wouldn't go too much lower than 90 degrees. Once you're done with the number of sets on the leg press, we're going to do the suitcase deadlift. So only hold one weight. Let's start it out on my right side, for example, and I'm just doing the deadlift by pushing my hips back, keeping my back nice and straight. As soon as I get done with the number of reps on one side, I'm just going to move over, do the same exact movement, but switch the hand that the dumbbell is in. The next exercise we're doing is a seated chest press. So you're going to need a machine for this one. Pretty straightforward. Sit down and then extend at your elbows, and you should feel this in your chest. The next exercise that you are going to be doing is the seated overhead press. So you want to adjust the seat so that your elbows are in a similar starting position to mine. I'm keeping my elbows in like this. I'm using the narrow handle. It's a little bit more shoulder friendly, so I'd recommend going with that one. The next exercise that you will be doing is the seated leg extension. So all you're going to be doing is extending your legs straight out. That pad should be a little bit right around where your ankles are, and all you're doing is extending your legs out. You're going to feel that in the front of your legs. Then we're going to move on to working the back of our legs. This is the hamstring curl, so you have to make some adjustments, but that top pad should be firmly on your thighs, and all you're going to do is curl your legs in, and you should be feeling this in your hamstrings or in the back of your legs. Now, the next two exercises will be performed together. It's going to be the hip bridge. So lie down. All you're doing is lifting your hips up, squeezing your butt at the top. So you'll get through the prescribed number of repetitions for this one. And we're just going to flip right over into the bear position leg extension. So for this, we're going to have our toes pointed. And all we're going to do is straighten out our legs. And when we do this, our hips also go up. And as soon as you're done with this, you're done with the routine.